Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Techno Science. In the recent video we learned how we can insert the data to our database, and now in this video we're going to perform the OR operation. We will learn how we can fetch the data from the database and show the data on our HTML page. I'll open my brackets editor and rename the file with data.php. I'll copy the code from connection.php file and paste it in the data.php file. And now we have to write the query. Open your PHPMyAdmin panel. Now click on SQL and select your command. Copy the command, go back to your editor and paste it. Now we will execute that command. We'll write result is equal to MySQLi query and pass the parameters. First one is connection and the second one is query. We'll populate the data in that table. I'll remove the HTML. Let us first execute the command and see if it is working fine. We're getting the data from the database. Now our write projects is equal to MySQLi fetch all result MySQLi associative. And we have the values of all the projects from the database. Now we will populate in the HTML tables. I will write the PHP code PHP, and for each record we have to add the new table row. I'll write for each projects as project we'll add a new table row. For each new project, we will echo the same message. We will write echo. The first column that we want to show is the project title. The second thing we want to show is the author. The third thing we want to show is description. Now we also have to add the action buttons. For example, update and delete. So one table column is for the action buttons. Inside this column, I'll write the code for the buttons. href is equal to update, and same goes for delete. For now, I'll put the simple hashtag inside these links. We will learn about the update and delete functions in the next video. I'll write the class for the buttons. Now I'll remove the HTML from the table so we can only show the data that is inside the loop. And don't forget to add the table row. Now save it and go back to your browser and open your file. There are two errors. Let's see what are the errors. Oh, you see there is an error in the spellings, so I'll just correct them, author, and refresh. You see we are getting the data, but the layout, there's something wrong with it. Let us see what is there. Oh yes, I'm missing the closing tag for the table row. I'll just put it and refresh the page. Now it is working fine. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. For latest videos and news, subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell icon.